scales. All right, this video series uses the AMTA, the Alabama Music Teachers Association, theory requirements. And I'm kind of jumping to age 9. I think it starts off at age 6. And I would like students to kind of do this with me at home. So have your phone right here and do what I do, and you can watch it. So we're going to start, with C major. People probably already know this. I call these scales 3 plus 5 because we're going to use 3 fingers and then 5. That makes 8. There's 8 notes in this scale. So C, 4, 5, 6. And come back down. And I would suggest counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then left hand. 1, 2. Notice on the left hand it's different. It's 5 plus 3. So when you start with your pinky, you go up all 5. Let's do it again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So do one hand or both. The next thing on the page is chords, and this kind of trips people up, or it's hard to understand sometimes. When we're playing our songs in the books, we use cadences, like here's our 1. That's the cadence over here. The chords are the root position chords. So in the key of C, your C chord is the 1 chord. Then if you go up 4 notes, you get F. F-A-C is the 4 chord. And if you go up 1 more note, you get 5, G, B, D. That's the 5th chord. All right, and then you can do the same thing. Just do it with me now. On the right hand, C, E, G. That's the 1 chord. Go up 4 notes to F. F-A-C is the 4 chord. And then the 5 chord is G, G, B, D. Okay? Now we're going to go to the cadence. And again, you should know these. This is easy to review. We have the 1, up to the 4, back to the 1, 5, 7. The pinky goes down half a step on the 5, 7 chord, and then back to 1. Notice on the 4 chord, the thumb goes up a step. So that's a C chord. That's your F chord, but that's in it's a 4 chord. And 5, 7 goes down. Good. So practice those. Let's do it one more time. Right hand. 1, pinky goes up to 4. 1, thumb goes down half a step to 5, 7, and then back to 1. Good. And again, the arpeggios, you want to start a little low on the arpeggios, and it's just a C chord. 1, 2, 3. I like to count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the intervals in this level, you just need to name them. And again, it's pretty easy. So first or unison interval, CC. Second, CD. Third, CE. Fourth, CF. Switch to the left hand. Fifth, CG. 6th CA, 7th CB, and octaves. Yeah, all right. So going on, we have to do the same thing for G major. Let's go ahead and do this today, and we'll stop after this one. It's the same thing. It's a 3 plus 5 scale on G, and there's an F sharp near the end. It's number 7. Number 7 being a sharp is kind of a big thing. I'm going to start it here, and I'm going to go 3 plus 5. That equals 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that 7 is a sharp. That's the leading tone. It's a half step back to G. And then going backwards, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And left hand, it's 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now these chords are actually pretty easy. We did them before. We just did the chords when we were doing C. You remember we did the C was the 1 chord, F was the 4, and G was the 5. Well, in the key of G, the G chord is the 1 chord, G, B, D. And if we go up 4 notes, we get C. So the C chord is C, E, G. And if we go up 1 more, we're on D, and that's our 5. And we have to remember the F sharp is in the scale and in the key signature. So there's our D, our 5 chord, D, F sharp, A. So again, we have G, 4 chord is C, E, G, 5 chord is D, F sharp, A. All right, and do it once with the left hand. Now the cadence, again, the same thing. We're going to start on G. I hope you can see this. I'm going to do it here. G. Thumb goes up to the 4 chord, that's your 4 chord, back down to G. Now the 5, 7, remember the pinky goes down a half a step, so there's our F sharp. 5, 7, yeah. We'll do it on the right hand, G, pinky goes up 1, 4 chord, back to G, 5, 7, thumb on the F sharp, it's a little awkward, and then G. And then the same thing with our arpeggio. 1, G, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And the intervals, it's all the same. First, second, G, A, third, G, B, fourth, G, C. Yeah, do a couple of those to catch up. The only other one to watch out for is that 7th. What is it? G and F sharp is the 7th. And then G, G. So that's great. This concludes day 1 of your scales for 9-year-olds. Everybody up to age 9.